DJT stock analysis and price predictions for Monday, 11th of August. Is it a buy or not? Watch this brief and short 1-minute video till the end to find out. I'm the only guy in the space with a track record of actual 43,000 to 45,000 video track record and 5 years of experience. I've spent tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors and documented them all, especially with DJT. Well, I was so open-minded, like I was so ready to pull the trigger if I saw the second break, but you can see it never came, and actually quite the opposite is happening. So now it's a bearish range. It's a good bearish range, and the likelihood is if I start seeing double breaks to the downside that I'm even looking for a sell side quick here, just so if I can take it to the lows. But man, if my rules are not met, I'm not moving lower. I mean, very simple. I mean, DJT, I also got about like 3 results in here as well. So yeah, let me know what is your opinion on DJT, and if you want to stay tuned and yeah, free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I will obviously continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy.